If you enjoy a good coffee, you may be interested in a new home coffee roaster created by the IA Collaborative called Kelvin. The award-winning allows you to custom roast fresh coffee beans, enabling you to save money, reduce waste, and explore new flavors. Kelvin launched via a Kickstarter crowdfunding campaign earlier this week and was fully funded in just 3 hours and has already raised over $117,000 thanks to over 540 backers. The Kelvin Home Coffee Roaster is available to back with pledges starting from $200 or £142 for early bird backers, offering a 40% discount off the recommended retail price, which will take effect once the Kickstarter campaign is completed. Kelvin is the best way to guarantee your coffee is always fresh. Its efficient roast cycle delivers roasted coffee in less than 10 minutes, allowing you to discover the incredible taste of freshly roasted coffee, whenever you want it. If all goes well with production, international shipping is expected to take place during February 2019, with shipping throughout the United States taking place in December 2018.